therapy program where we are going to try to do everything we can to get some of these innovative treatments that are coming as a result of all this phenomenal science, and we're going to try to make it available to more and more people, because otherwise you've got to be a millionaire and lucky to have access to some of these treatments, and most folks who have sickle cell are not. So what we're doing is we're creating this new program, and what it does is it simply says, states, join with us. If all of us combine together and tell the manufacturers of these therapies, we will buy your product. We, not the individuals, we, the states and the federal government, will help pay for those products, and with the insurance companies when they have insurance. And we guarantee you business. Because if you try to shop this product to those individuals by yourself, only a handful will be able to afford that product. But if you come to the states and the federal government, and you let us buy your product for less than $1 million, substantially less, we'll buy a lot of your product. And so the power of our collective can give us the ability to guarantee that manufacturer real return on their therapy. Because if they wait for you individually to buy it, very few can say that raise their hands, I can afford it. But when the states and the federal government come forward, we can buy a whole bunch of it. It's almost like a subscription model. We buy a lot of it, and then we've got the customer base to make sure it gets out there. So that's what we're going to do with these new innovative therapies and treatments that are coming out for all sorts of illnesses. But here's the good news. The very first test model for this new approach to try to make those medicines available is sickle cell.
That's right.
We chose to use sickle cell as our first model to make sure that we can approach communities